Hey, this is Harlan with another college tip. Making close friends takes a while. Now, if you're in like the first month or two, or even 3 months in college, you'll meet people, you'll hang out with them, you'll laugh, you'll have a nice time, but you'll be like, these aren't the friends that I had before. I don't feel as close to these people as I do the friends I had at home. And the thing is, you're not supposed to, and you're not going to, because it's really hard to have those deep, meaningful relationships with people who you've only known for a couple months or a few months. And this isn't to say that those relationships you have aren't going to turn into something more, but you have to really be patient and give it time. Because the more you do, like the more crazy things that happen, or the more emotional things that happen, or the more challenges you all face together, the deeper of a connection you're going to have. And that's something that just doesn't happen like boom, right away. It's something that takes a while. So be patient and understand, some of us, like me, I'm a slow burn kind of guy. It takes me like a good year to really make close friends. And during that time, when you're making friends and navigating all these changes, make sure you do things that you love to do. Like put yourself in places where you can really have fun doing things, where you're not dependent on other people to entertain you and to give your life meaning. And what will happen is you'll find meaningful experiences with lots of different people, and it will happen. You just have to trust that it will, and be patient and put yourself in places where you can meet these people over time.